Today, we're going to build a Batwing using 3 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
I've actually had the idea for this Batwing for quite some time. When I came across these clip-on axe head handles, and I was like, this thing just looks like a Batwing. But the only thing I couldn't figure out was how was I going to get 2 of these axe head pieces to go together so that they're close enough to look like the Batwing and not too far apart and just kind of look awkward. And then finally I was just going through my pieces bin and I found these minifigure binoculars. I thought, these things are perfect. All you have to do is get those minifigure binoculars so that hole is on the bottom. And the big end of our binoculars are in the back. And those are going to be like the jets of our Batwing. And then from there we grab one of these little axe heads. And I like it, so you see that little kind of divoted area or curved area. I like that to be in the front. I think it looks more like a Batwing that way. And just click it on our binoculars like that. And then we do that to both sides, making sure that those ends match up. And here we've got a micro mini Batwing for Batman to fly Gotham City around using only 3 Lego pieces.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.